Today I have come with another job notification. So this is a mini Ratna company, Bharat Dynamics Limited, and it's come under the Government of India, Ministry of Defence. It basically works in the defense field of India, like tank design and manufacturing on and other things like for the defense of the country. So if you are planning to work in the PSU and especially in the defense field, you must apply for these jobs and this is the best career opportunity you can opt for. So without wasting time, let me show you the vacancy detail. You just come on that link and click on that link, and here you can see the vacancy that has come on 24th of January. So just click on that link, you will get the PDF, and this is the PDF of the Bharat Dynamics Limited. You can see here, this is a mini Ratna company, and this is public sector enterprise. This come under the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Okay, so this is the manufacturing ATGM, anti-tank guided missile, and other things for the government of India or for armed forces. You can see here. Okay, so these are the details. What is the PDL working? So start date of the online application you can see from 30th of January 2025 at 2 p.m. and closing date of the vacancy online application 21st of February. Okay, so this is the start and closing date. So let me show you the vacancy data. For electronics 15 vacancy, for mechanical 10 vacancies, and for other branches you can see. So only electronics have the most vacancy. So you can see here other vacancy detail, and let me show you some other things. So okay, these are come, these are the vacancy detail, and you can see here the pay scale like 15.91 lakh CTC per annum you will get if you are selected for management training and AMSM. That you can see here, given an abbreviation is given here. Okay, AM means assistant manager, SM is senior manager, DGM means deputy general manager. So these are the detail. If you have qualified your engineering degree, you are eligible for management training, so you will be paid 15.91 lakhs per annum. So this is the best thing you can see here, and almost 16 lakh. It is a good amount for a under oh, sorry, for undergraduate student. So okay, so these are the age criteria. If you come under these age, you are eligible to apply and you can apply. Okay, so qualification, let me show you the qualification. First class bachelor degree or 5-year integrated degree. That means if you have done both BTech and MTech integrated, you can also apply. If you have only bachelor degree, you can apply. Okay, so you must have first class bachelor degree, only then you can apply for management training in these branches. And other things, let me show you the detail. And for human resource, you should have MBA, and for finance you have these qualifications. So you can have according to your post and qualification. Okay, for electronics, these branches are eligible. For mechanical, if you have done your BE, BTech in these branches, you can apply. Not only mechanical, if you have done other in different like production, tool, and industrial production, mechanical, and aerospace, you can also apply. Okay, so for CS, computer science engineering, for chemical engineering, chemical and electrochemical engineering, chemical technology. So if you have done your BE, BTech, like undergraduate degree, bachelor degree in these branches, you can apply. Okay, so okay, so this is the only desirable. So if you have, you will get that age in interview and in final merit list. Okay, so that I have told you. So 16 lakh CTC will be given if you get selected. Let me show you some other thing. Okay, so AMSM and DGM, these are the pay scale for these people, and for management training, I have showed you the. I have okay. Let me show you some. There is the application fee. You can see here. Application fee 500 rupees for OBC EWS UR. Okay, 500 have to pay. And for SC, ST, PWD, ex-serviceman, internal permanent employee, there is no need to pay the application fees. So please keep this in mind. And the selection process, written test and interview. For management training, there will be written test, CBT based, and interview. Only two exam you have to pass, like first CBT and second interview. And here you can see that 2 hours will be 2 hours comprising 150 multiple choice question. Okay, part 1 100 MCQ subject like their discipline, and part 2 50 MCQ general aptitude. Question will carry 1 mark. There will be negative marking. Okay, there will be negative marking also 0.25 for the wrong answer. Okay, so these are the details. And if you want to apply, if you qualify their criteria, you can apply. Let me see. Okay, so these are the detail dates, like commencement of online registration of application 5th of January and closing date 21st of February. Last date of receipt of online registration slip along with mandatory documents for application against TGM, AM, SM, DGM post. Okay, so for management training, there is no need to send the hard copy, and for these posts, you need to send the hard copy of the application before that date. Okay, so tentative date of computer CBT test will be on month of March. So your exam will be on March. And accordingly, they will call for the interview. Okay. So these are the details. If you have any doubt and if you want to know anything, you can comment and I will reply. Okay. Thank you.